All right, YouTube, Josh here, Attic Lumber. Check this project out right here, 40 by 50, 16 feet tall. All right, with actually a 12 by 24 dual pitch porch on this as well. But in this video, I'm gonna share with you what this guy did. Some interesting features as far as you can see the concrete, the tubular concrete, some screen mesh on the windows, also some liner panel, some insulation. So let's get started on this. This is actually up in Ottawa County, Ohio, not too far from Lake Erie. All right, again, a 40 by 50, 16 feet tall. Now to give you some specs, some comps here, if you're looking at replicating a building like this on your property here, out front here, these overhead doors are in process of getting put up, but actually those are two 12 by 14 overhead doors right there. Now, as far as this wainscot for colors there, and then before I do that, actually on the back right there, that's actually a 10 by 10, all right, overhead door. But this wainscot right here, actually this was custom. This was actually 3 feet and 7 inches, all right? So kind of give you some perspective. Let me bend my iPhone just a little bit, but actually that, again, that's 16 feet, all right? But again, this wainscot, 3 feet, 7 inches, all right? And as far as the windows right there, those are actually 4 by 2, all right? 4 by 2 there on the sidewall eave. So color selection here, that's actually a brown, and that's a tan, all right? So if you're gonna look to maybe replicate this on your property, there you go. And you can see actually, we poured the concrete on this. See how this is set up right here? That was actually 4 inches. All right, flat work that was done right there. But you can see what we're doing as far as the wainscot on that, interior wainscot. As far as, you see that, actually that's a 3-foot section there. But you can see what we did as far as the R19 insulation on this. Those are actually 2-foot bats. Now those can come in different sections. Been following this channel, this journey here, we either utilize a 2-foot, 4-foot, or maybe on some bigger buildings, depending on what you have as far as labor, you can actually do an 8-foot section. But you can see those run north and south there. See that 2-foot section there? And then you see what we do, we actually take the ladder panel, we go underneath the R19. Now you can see up on the ceiling, we actually blew in R25 cellulose insulation. All right, and you can see what he's got set up. Got the ladder panel on top of that, but you can see he's got the lights. See those lights right there? Lights over there. So there's 4 lights on this building. Let me pan you over there as well, and up here as well. So what he's going to do, actually, this is going to be actually a quasi basketball arena. All right, so you can see he's got the mesh on those 4 by 2 windows up there with the lights. So he's going to actually put a hoop in here for his boy here. All right, so that kind of gives you an idea. And then also, I've talked about this in previous videos as well, but this is actually, see how we trim or line the overhead door right there? Again, that's the steel, same steel that we use on the outside. It gets a 40-year guarantee there. See that? Let me get you a little bit closer, give you a little bit more perception on that right there. See that? And then also, you see how we do the other entry doors as well. Again, see how we, if you've been following along, we don't always do it. It kind of depends on the use case and what the person's looking to do. But you see how we button that up or finish that off right there. All right, and you can see as far as the tubular concrete. Now, I'm not an expert in tubular concrete or concrete, but this is set up, actually, this is gonna be about 50, 55 year round in here. So again, it's gonna make an excellent basketball arena, playground, and so forth. But you can see how we got this set up right here. Actually, we subcontracted this, and he had his guys come in here and knock that out. Again, a 40 by 50, 16 feet tall, not too far actually from Lake Erie, the beautiful county of Ottawa County. All right, but you can see right there, let me give you some perspective. And then actually on that porch right there, actually that's a 12 by 24 that comes off the 40 by 50. And you can see how that is called, actually called a dual pitch. All right, so it's got the 412 pitch, and then it slopes off 312. You can see how that we fasten that to the sidewall steel. All right, so kind of give you an idea of what we're doing here up in Ottawa County. But again, 40 by 50, 16 feet tall, post-frame pole barn building. Another one nearing completion. But again, your comments always welcome. Until the next one, keep it locked, keep it loaded right here. Attic Lumber, at atticlumber.com.